Good morning, my grade one students. How are you all doing today? How are you all feeling today? Good? Wow, isn't it a lovely day? Yes, it's a lovely morning, right? And this is week 8 and day 2, second day of your week 8, right? I hope you all are excited and happy to study. Yes or no? It's your literacy lesson, your literacy class, and you are going to study today something which is going to help you out. Okay? So, what we are going to do, we are going to do a retelling session. Now, what is retelling? Can anyone tell me that? What is actually retelling? Yes? Can you try out? Retelling means that you are going to recall. You are going to recall and then you are going to retell what we have done already. So what you have done in your previous classes, that means retelling. You are going to retell in your own words. You are going to recall it actually in your own words. You understood? Yes? So what you are going to retell, that's another question. Now you remember the unit which we are doing, which we have already started this week. What was that? Can you tell me the name? Yes? The name of the unit, can you tell me? Yes, it was the story of Gingerbread Man. Remember, we have started the story Gingerbread Man? Yes? So that story you are going to retell. You are going to retell that story in your own words by looking at the pictures. Okay? Now, was the story interesting? Did you enjoy that story, Gingerbread Man? Yes, it's a very, very famous story, and I hope you like that story. Yes, and those of you who have not heard that before, they know it now because we have done the unit, we have done the reading of the story, we have done the presentation on that story, we have seen the pictures of that story. Yes or no? Yes. So now everything should be very, very clear in your minds. Yes, correct. So that story we are going to retell. Okay? And so you people are going to become the storyteller. What you are going to become? You will become the storyteller, a person who tells the story. Okay, so isn't it excited? Aren't you people excited to tell the story to become the storyteller? Yes, correct. So then the other thing is now what you people have to do. That is a question. Now what I want you people to do is you will look at the story, the pictures, and then you will retell that story in your own words. How? By using the words once upon a time or one day. Okay, you will use the word once upon a time, and then what you are going to use? You are going to use the word first, next, then, and finally. Alright, so how you are going to tell me the story? By using these words. You will start your story by telling once upon a time, then you will use the word first what happened, next what happened, then what happened, and finally what happened. Remember? Okay, understood? So how you are going to retell? You will first look at the pictures. Now listen to my instructions. These are very, very important. You will first look at the pictures, right? Then you are going to retell the story. Then you're going to use these words. You will start your story by once upon a time, and then you will use next, then, and finally. All right. So these are my instructions. You have to look at the picture, then start the retelling the story by using once upon a time. And the third one is you have to use the other words that next, then, and finally. I hope it is clear. Yes? Great. Okay. Now, I'm going to show you that pictures and you have to first look at the pictures very, very clearly. And then you have to, I'll show you the pictures and then I'm going to I will erase them, those pictures. Okay, I will first share my screen and then I'll stop sharing it. Then you have to tell me. So look at the pictures very, very carefully as I show you. Okay, there you go. Let's see the pictures. One, two, and three. Can you see my screen, children? Yes, now this is the picture of gingerbread man, right? You can easily see this. Okay, the next one. Okay, now clearly and carefully look at the picture, what's happening in this picture. Done? All right. Now next picture. See what is happening? Okay, the next picture. See what is happening here? Yes? Okay, the next picture. Okay, and the last picture. There you go. All right. Now you have seen the pictures. Now let's start. Okay. Now we are going to become, remember, we are going to become the storyteller and it's going to be in a round. Okay. Like I'll start from Amir. Amir is going to start the, the storytelling and one sentence Amir is going to say, the other Alia is going to say, the third Neha is going to say, again the fourth Amir is going to say, Alia is going to say, Neha is going to say. It's going to be in a circle. All right. Storytelling will be in a circle. Let's start. One, two, and three. Start, Amir. Very good. Once upon a time, there was a woman who made some gingerbread. Gingerbread men, right? Very good, Amir. Okay, next. Very nice. As soon as she opened the door of the oven, the gingerbread man came, jumped out of the oven, and he started running. He ran. Very good. Good job, Alia. Yes, Neha. While he was running, he met a cat and a hen. Very good. Who? Yes, who asked him to stop. But the gingerbread man said, no, I will not stop. Very good. Okay, Neha, your turn. Then whom he met? Very good. Then he met a cow and a dog, and who asked him to stop, but he did not stop. Okay. Again, your turn, Armin. Next, what happened? You have to use the term next. Yes. Next, he met a fox, right? And then he saw a river. And then what happened? Next, he met a fox across near the river. Okay. And the fox wanted to trick the gingerbread man. Very good. Okay. Now, Alia, your turn. Very good. Gingerbread man wanted to cross the river, right? But he doesn't want to get wet, right? So what happened? Next, Alia, Neha, sorry. The fox asked him to sit on his back. Very nice. Okay. Uh, Amir, your turn. First, he made him sit on his back. Then he made him sit on his tail. And lastly, he made him to sit on his nose. Then what happened? Dun, dun, dun. Finally, the gingerbread man sat on his nose and the fox ate the gingerbread man. Very nice. Good job. Good class. So the gingerbread man was eaten by the fox. The fox played trick on him. He tricked the gingerbread man, right? And so he ate the gingerbread man. This was the whole retelling session of the story, right? Now, do you think anything was missed out here? Do you find anything missing? No, there was nothing missing. Great job, class. Now, what you people are going to do? You take out your book, Nelson English, and take out page 47. Now, in over here, there are some pictures given about the retelling of the story. So what you people have to do now, listen to the instructions. Read the story Gingerbread Man again, which you have already done. Look carefully at the pictures, okay, and then copy the lines in the box so they match the pictures. Now, they have to match the pictures. Now, remember they have given numbers to the pictures. So first picture is that the gingerbread man jumped out of the oven. This is the first picture. So the sentence that matches this picture, you have to write the number over here. Okay. So look at the pictures first carefully and then match it with the sentences. So this is you have to look and match. Two tasks. Look and match. So I'm going to give you 5 minutes for this work. And your time starts now. All right, class, time is up. Now, which sentence you have matched with the first picture? The first picture is this one. Yes, correct. The gingerbread man jumped out the oven. This sentence is going to match with number 1. Okay, very good. And which is the second one? The first sentence. He ran away from the old woman. You can see this picture, how the gingerbread man is running over here. So he ran away from the old woman. And next, what happened? The C picture is, yes, the last one. He ran away from the boy and the girl. This. He ran away from the boy and the girl. Correct. And then what happened? He ran away from the cat and the hen. B picture. He ran away from the cat and the hen. Correct. Then what happened? He met a fox by the river. He met a fox by the river. And then the fox helped him. The fox helped him. Now see, the fox is helping. So the fox helped him. So these were all 6 different pictures matching 6 sentences. Good job, class. I am very happy that you have matched the pictures correctly with the sentences. So anything that is missing over here in this picture, anything that is missing? No, this was everything that was told in the story, right? But actually what happened and at last, the ending of the story is not mentioned. There is a big question mark. So what happened at the end? This part is missing. Yes, the fox ate the gingerbread man. The gingerbread man was tricked by the fox and he ate the gingerbread man. This was the end part which is missing in this unit, right? Correct. Well done, class. I am very, very happy for you people. So that means the story is very clear to you. The retelling session was done perfectly by you all. I'm very happy. Super. Good job. Okay. I hope be doing the homework which I'll be posting on portal. Okay. It's related to the story. So nothing is there to worry about. You will easily do it. Okay. Do your work on time and see you next time in your science lesson. Bye-bye.